Welcome to Jong's channel. For today's video, it's my first time to use my DJI Mini Pro drone, and I'm very excited to share to all of you the aerial footage using this drone. In this video, I'm featuring the villa on Lake Bernstein, auf Deutsch Villa am Bernsteinsee. For the information of everyone, the lake auf Deutsch, or in German, is called See. So we're going to know the history of this villa and what the villa can offer to all of you when you're going to visit Bitterfeld, Wolfen. From the main train station, it is 20 to 30 minutes away by foot. So I hope that you're going to enjoy this video. The Villa am Bernsteinsee is a large-class residential building built in 1896 in Bitterfeld am Bernsteinsee and is under the monument protection and is used as a hotel and restaurant. The building is located in the cultural landscape of Gotchesee at the top of the southeastern tip of Grusemühle area that lies in the Great Lake. The villa is a building from the era of historicism and is predominantly characterized by the style of Neo-Renaissance, but there are also design elements of the Neo-Gothic. The Villa am Bernsteinsee has 7 stylish, fully furnished rooms with up to 80 square meters in size with the best lake view. It can be occupied by 2 to 6 persons with its own kitchen. The hotel and restaurant offers you a multifaceted opportunity to stay in style and celebrate. They always offer you the best setting for weddings, company parties, birthdays, and other occasions. For more inquiries and interesting information about this villa, you can always visit their website at www.villa-am-bernsteinsee.com. So how did you find this video? It is really beautiful, right? So that was my first aerial footage using my DJI Mini Pro drone. And this place is really the best place to stay with the best view around. So I hope that this video gives you the useful information when you're going to visit Bitterfeld Wolfen, a place to stay. And I hope that you like this video. Until my next travel, this is Jong's channel. Tschüss!
Mm-hmm.